In this video we're going to check out the fake Korg Volcas that were around on the internet. This is a bit of a collation. The guy that invented the Volcas is Tatsuya Takahashi, and this is TATS Volcas. Korg also did their own mock-up, the VOLCASETTE. Awesome. So let's have a look at the real mock-ups from other people. Volca GM, this is if you're into general MIDI. The Volca VL if you're into the Casio. Volca CHORD if you're into string machines. Volca Poly 800, the original Korg. Bagpipes, yep, you got it, Scottish. I did this one, LSD if you remember this article. And don't forget the Volca sampler, they actually did one, and here it is. So let's check out Korg's marketing department's ideas. Actually not really. This is the Volca FX and mix, and they actually did a mix, there it is. There's the Volca Axe, probably the world's worst Photoshop job. And Roland probably won't like this, the Volca Space Echo. So what takes the Volca cake? The Volca Toast, yep, they did two of these. Who likes the burn filter? Awesome. Anyway, that's it. Thanks.